Hello, I'm Miss Kerry from the Blue Ash Branch Library, and today I have a great literacy activity for you involving letters. So what you can do is you can take regular paper and draw or print letters on the paper and use green and red circles as go and stop. Then grab a toy, especially with wheels if that's the best fun, and then go from green means go to red means stop. This helps your child learn how the letters are shaped so that they can learn how to write them. Also, they're using their fingers to move the object, and so they can work on those fine motor skills. And that is a great way to help them learn their letters. Thanks for watching. For more great literacy activities, check out our YouTube channel. Bye!